Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious sweet potato porridge. So sit back and enjoy. A little backstory to this recipe was that I had leftover coconut milk and vegetables the first time I made this, so I decided to use it to make the sweet potato porridge, and it was so good. And I was like, I need to share this with you guys, so here is the recipe. I started off by heating up palm oil, then I went in with chopped onions. I'm going to allow the onions to heat up for a bit, for about 1 minute, to release the flavor, and then I'm going to go in with my tomato and pepper mix that has been boiled down. I'm going to let this fry, and it's going to become a darker color, and then you're going to know it's ready. While the tomato is frying, I'm going to add in my boiled goat meat. You could use beef, fish, shrimps, or whatever protein you feel like, or you could totally omit this. It's completely optional. So as you can see, you could notice some visible changes from when I added the boiled tomatoes at the beginning till now. You can see it's drying up and it's getting darker. So right now I'm going to be adding my bell peppers, yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. The next step for me now is going to be to add my spices. The full list is going to be in the description box. I added some curry, seasoning cube. You just check the description box and you're going to see everything I added into this, and I'm going to fry it for a bit more before I add my coconut milk. The next step for me was to add a generous pinch of salt. Then I added my meat stock, which was what I boiled my goat meat in. This meat stock wasn't spicy at all. After the meat stock, the next step was coconut milk, and that is like the star of this dish. So this coconut milk changes everything in this dish. It makes the food taste like it's a balance between local and a bit of continental. If you make it and taste it, you're going to understand what I'm talking about. So this porridge doesn't really taste like your local porridge dish that has palm oil and other things, but it's in the middle and it's really nice. So I also added this green chili mix that I've been adding to almost everything I made during this period. I bought green chili and I made like a green chili oil, and I've been using it to cook almost everything, and that also elevates flavor, so it's really good too. So if you can try it, or maybe I'm going to drop a video on how to make this. Then the next step is obviously to add your sweet potatoes. So when you add your sweet potatoes, you need to cover it and just allow it to cook. You're going to cook this on a very low heat. Allow the potato to boil, and it's going to take about 15 minutes. I use this coconut powder mixed with water, and I'm going to add the rest of my bell peppers, which I didn't add at the beginning, and I'm going to add some grated carrots to this now that the potato is almost ready. So right now my potato is ready. I tried to double check with a fork, and you can see the fork went in smoothly, which means it's ready to eat. This potato is very delicious. I'm going to say it again. The next step is going to be to make my vegetables for this sweet potato porridge. Remember how I came about this recipe when I had a lot of leftover vegetables which I needed to use. So I started by adding in a bit of olive oil, my white cabbage, purple cabbage and carrots. Then I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil and my green chili. This green chili, I told you I've been using it for making everything during this period, and I really like it. So once this vegetable just gets hot, just take it off the heat, because if it continues cooking, it's going to lose its color, it's going to get soggy, you're not really going to like it. So, and it's going to lose some of its nutrients. So once it just gets hot, just take it off the heat. So guys, just check this out. The porridge is ready. and it is delicious. So it's time for my taste test. I'm going to be eating my porridge and I'm going to be adding my vegetables. This porridge is delicious. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you guys, but this porridge is the truth. So thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.